Now, on Apple iPhones, you're getting a new feature called Center Stage. What this means is that when you turn on your selfie camera, you'll be placed in the frame as if you're in the center. This is done by automatically zooming in, zooming out, and using an auto-rotate feature. One thing to note is that this feature is only available on the Apple iPhone 17 series phones and iPads. It's not available on older phones, but it'll most likely be included in upcoming phones. Anyway, with this Center Stage feature, if you want to enable only the auto zoom feature, you can do that. To do that, you'll need to open the camera app. Then, switch to the selfie camera by clicking this button. When you do that, you'll see a button like this at the top. Click it. Sometimes, you might notice the auto zoom and auto rotate features are turned off. Anyway, if you want to enable only auto zoom, you can turn on the auto zoom feature. You'll see it right there. And if you want to enable auto rotate, you can do that too. Anyway, from here, you can enable the auto zoom feature in Center Stage on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.